They'll not be telling you, oh, after some time, after 6 months, you'll be deleted. Irony. Let FBI ask for it. It will come out. Let FBI ask for that information. It will come outside. Are you aware that doing this on LinkedIn can get you arrested? You're literally playing with your freedom. Do you know that? Let's get right into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Surprise again, surprise is the name. Today I'm going to be talking about something that has become very common, popular, famous on LinkedIn, but is very wrong. People do not know the risk behind this thing. So if you're not familiar with LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a professional platform where employers can connect with potential employees. Everybody shares their wins, their professional growth, their career growth. It's more like an online resume. You can meet with CEOs of companies. If you see somebody online now, okay, you want to get their details, you want to send them a DM, you can look up them on LinkedIn if they own a company and all of that. So people go there to post their work, connect with employers, connect with HR, learn things. It is mostly a text-based platform, but they allow videos now, but the texts are more common, more popular than videos. So it's like a professional online resume. If you want to appear as a professional person to somebody, you send them your LinkedIn profile. That's where people put on suits. You don't go there and be posting anyhow, because even though that's your real self, that's how you are, everybody's expecting you to be professional. So that's how it is on LinkedIn, right? People get jobs on LinkedIn. People reach out to recruiters on LinkedIn. They post jobs on LinkedIn. There's also like a job area on LinkedIn section, right? So recently fraudsters have come up with another update that they can now carry out fraud on LinkedIn. Scammers never rest. There's always a new update to how they can scam people. So imagine if people that scam people that are doing illegal work never rest. Imagine that is doing legit work. No rest. So what am I talking about in essence? Doing this can get you arrested. What is that? Renting out your LinkedIn account. I don't know if you've heard of it before. Maybe there's a time watching this video you've not heard of it. But now, people are renting out their LinkedIn accounts to fraudsters for pennies. Okay, they might say, oh, they don't know that the person is a fraudster. They don't know. The person said, oh, I'm going to pay you to rent out your account to me for a month, for 2 months, and I'll give you this. Have you sat down to think that why does this person want to rent my account when they can just go and open their own? Have you thought about it? Some people, they'll say because they are broke or they are hungry, they will not rent out their account. Once you start using LinkedIn for some time, they'll give you a prompt to verify. Tell you to verify your account. I just got that prompt really recently to verify your account. Most times you need to verify with your international passport. All those NIN slips, some people complain that it doesn't work for them. Some people complain that it's until they use their international passport before it worked, right? So without that verification, you lose your account, you won't be able to make use of the account, you can be suspended and all that. You know how verification processes are now. So by submitting your international passport, LinkedIn has your international passport. Use it to verify your account. People on the app too can connect with you better, knowing that this is a verified account, right? You will not carry that account to go and rent it to somebody. For how much? I don't know how much they pay them, but they can't be paying people more than 10K per week or $10. It can't be more than that. So some people say, oh, the LinkedIn itself, I'm not even really serious on LinkedIn, I hardly post, let it be making money for me. They'll not go and give it to scammers. Some scammers will go ahead and delete their posts. Do you know what it takes to make a LinkedIn post? You would think very well. There must not be any error. They value epistles, story writing, You would think before I make a post on LinkedIn, I don't have so many posts too, but before I make any posts, the storyteller, the copywriter in me will come out, because it has to make sense. Potential employers have to see it and like it. But anybody that wants to work with me, potential partners, collaborators, have to see it and like it, relate with me. They have to see it and think, oh, this girl has something upstairs, this girl is making so much sense. So I put in a lot of effort to make sure it's looking on brand, right? You will not carry an account like that, even if it's 2 posts, even if you've not made any posts. Why on earth will you rent out your LinkedIn account to a total stranger? So now let me tell you what this people do, once they collect the account, they go ahead and delete your post. They change your name. Some leave the name. They change your picture. Some they go and put a picture of white people. They're so common on LinkedIn now. There are a lot. They put pictures of white people. They now go and put HR clinical on their bio. Then they start scamming people. Some, I'm sure they're using it for dating scam too. They tell you, oh, they reach out to maybe white career women or white career men and tell them, oh, I'm a lady, I'm based in the US. They put one white picture there and tell them that, they should start dating, or they should pay for one job. The scam has different formats. There's the dating aspect, there's the hiring manager aspect, which is very common. They'll tell you they're hiring manager. They'll not start posting fake jobs. Some will not tell you come and pay for this job. You think, oh, this is a LinkedIn profile, this is LinkedIn, this is professional, this person cannot scam me. It's your account that they're using to do all this. So you know that if anything goes wrong, someone gets scammed, somebody gets reported, everything will be linked back to you. God now help you verify your accounts. They have your details, they have your phone number, they have your international passport. International passport is not NIN. International passport is not NIN. Anybody from anywhere in the world can locate you with your international passport. Before you need CUC, FBI, CUC, KK. Because of how much? There are some things that brokenness should not let you do. Plus, the money cannot even keep coming forever. How much? It's literally paying you pennies. It can't change your life. You are risking getting arrested. If you know you have rented out your LinkedIn to anybody, you plan on it, abort mission. Don't try it. Don't try it. You can think, oh my God, I've not made any posts. I've only made 2 posts. Last time I posted on LinkedIn was in 2020. Does that mean you should risk getting arrested because last time I posted in 2020? Me too, I hardly post at some point. I just started posting like beginning of this year. And I've had that account since, even when I was working in the bank, I've had that account like 3 years now. I was not really posting. When I was in the bank, I was not posting. I didn't mail those times I was in the bank, and I said, oh, I don't think I can use LinkedIn again. Let me go and rent it out. And the rent is not rent passive. Your accounts don't go. They just use rent to make it feel like, oh, you can get it back. Once someone has deleted your post, change your picture, change everything, so using your profile to scam people. What is the scam again? If you collect it, what do you want to use it to do? OT law. That's gone. You guys know that United States, first world countries, these people have record. Like literally every online platform now, they have record. Even this YouTube, they told me that I should upload my ID card at some point. I was like, when do YouTube start this one? They don't want anybody just randomly opening accounts. They collected my ID card, they collected my phone number. They'll not be telling you, oh, after some time, after 6 months, you'll be deleted. Irony. Let FBI ask for it. It will come out. Let FBI ask for that information. It will come outside. You guys are aware of so many, data protection laws coming up where, people are saying they are collecting your information on your phone unknowingly. You don't even know, but they already have so much information about you. This one is unknowingly. Imagine this one that you are giving them by yourself. You are giving them your ID yourself. Why? Because you want them to verify you. You are giving them your information yourself, giving them your location, you're giving them your past companies. Even if you've not verified your accounts, if they can just see where you have worked before, everything, back end, that's why you have back end. You think all these things, oh, once you delete it, it's gone. The company knows when you updated it, when you deleted it, everything. If they go and check everywhere you've worked, there's no how they will go and visit each place, they will not find you, or someone will not know your house. Okay. Be risking your life because of 5 naira. People might think I'm exaggerating, but Casala boss, you understand. So if you're thinking of getting your LinkedIn account, don't try it. Let the account just be there. Let it be there. I've been seeing it very common with all these Arab, Pakistan people, India. I don't know if Nigerians are doing it though, because I know Nigerians too. Their fraudsters literally everywhere, but fraud is very common in third world countries. So I'm not even gonna be biased or anything at this point. But I see the posts I see on Facebook. There are all these Pakistani guys, all these Iran. They went your LinkedIn account to me. They have any group chat that is about LinkedIn now. Go and open any Facebook group that is about LinkedIn. You're going to see, went out your account to me, went out your kidney to me, went out. You've not thought that why can't they open the account by themselves? LinkedIn is free for all now. Why can't they open the account by themselves? Because they're using it for fraud. They want to scam people using your own identity. Some will even tell you, I want verified account. Some will tell you I want an account with 500 connections. Some tell you I want an account with 100 connections. Some tell you I want an account with more than 6 months. That has been open for more than 6 months. Why do you think they want all this type of accounts? So it will look more real. It will look more realistic when they're trying to fraud people. It was enough for the wise though. I've told you guys. It might be 20 years later when you don't remember again. People watch film now. It's when you don't remember again. FBI will find you, come say, your identity was used to scam this person, so. Come out. And you will know. You know what's going on. So, if you've rented out your LinkedIn account before, you have a bad experience, leave a comment. Or if you've heard of it before, leave a comment. If you have a bad experience and you don't leave a comment, it's fine, it's understandable. Nobody's going to shame me here, but I know it might be quite embarrassing to admit that, so that's alright. But if you've heard of it before, if you have something to say, or you think it's not that deep, leave a comment. So yeah, shine your eyes, shine your eye. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Surprise signing out. Bye.